Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize headers in Salesforce. This is a really useful skill because it allows you to control which fields appear at the top of your records, making it easier to see the most important information at a glance. First, you'll want to click the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to all the administrative settings in Salesforce. From the menu that appears, select Setup. This takes you to the main configuration area where you can manage everything about your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, you'll see a quick find box on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and enter Object Manager in that search box. This helps you quickly navigate to the right place without scrolling through endless menus. Now click on Object Manager from the results that appear. In the Object Manager, you'll see a list of all the different objects in your Salesforce instance. For this tutorial, we're going to work with the account object, but you can follow the same process for any object you need to customize. Click on Account to open it up. On the left sidebar, you'll notice several options related to the account object. Look for and click on Compact Layouts. This is where you control what fields show up in the header of your records, both in the desktop view and on mobile devices. You'll now see a list of compact layouts. Find the one labeled Account Compact Layout next to the layout name and click on it. This opens up the current configuration so you can see what's already included. To make changes, click the Edit button. This puts you into editing mode where you can add, remove, and rearrange fields to your liking. You'll notice two columns on your screen, available fields on the left and selected fields on the right. The selected fields are what currently appear in your header. To add a new field, click on any field in the available fields list. Then click the Add Right Arrow button to move it over to the selected fields column. This adds that field to your header layout. If you want to remove a field that's already in your header, click on that field in the selected fields list. Then click the Remove Left Arrow button to move it back to the available fields side. This takes it out of your header. Now the order of fields in your header matters because it determines how they display to your users. To change the position of any field, click on that field in the selected fields list. You'll see buttons labeled Up, Down, Top, or Bottom. Use these to reorder the field exactly where you want it. Top moves it to the very first position, bottom moves it to the last position, and up and down move it one spot at a time. Once you're satisfied with your field selection and order, click Save to apply your changes. Your customized header will now appear across all account records in your Salesforce instance. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Salesforce headers to show exactly the information your team needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.